the little parrots.
Let's make a place where you can hear lots of birds.
Like a tropical forest.
Right. So we'll need a lot of trees.
Wait, we can make the trees look even better.
That's a wonderful tropical forest. Now we can start our story.
AVA RIKO TEO, come out and play. This place is so beautiful.
There's nothing for me to eat here.
Eat here! Eat here! Raw! 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 Raw!
Who are you? That's a big beak.
Raw! Raw! Big beak! Raw! Big beak! Big beak! Raw! Raw!
Oh, it's a parrot.
Big beak! Raw! Raw! Raw!
Baby parrots. Boy, they sure are loud.
They're hungry, so their mom has to get them something to eat.
Who's going to take care of them while the mother parrot is away?
I know. Ava, Riko, and Teo can be babysitters.
Great idea.
I can't do it. It's too high.
Hey, maybe I can do it. I can jump really high. Watch. Ava, do you think you could help me?
Sorry, Riko.
Are you all right, Riko? You're not scared, are you?
Me? Scared? Ha! Sometimes, but not now.
Wait, we have to take away some of these leaves so Riko can get to the bird.
There. That's much better.
Don't worry. Your mom will be back soon. What do I do now?
Let's see. Try to keep them busy.
Okay. Hey, kids! They're chirping again.
Are you okay, Riko?
Please, make them be quiet.
Maybe we can help. Let's have Ava sing a song.
Oh, like a lullaby to help them sleep.
Right. And here's a vine they can use to make the tree rock like a cradle.
Go to sleep, little parrots. It's time to stop your cheeping. Go to sleep, little parrots. No need for all your weeping. Go to sleep, little parrots. You will never be alone. Go to sleep, little parrots. Your mom will soon be home. Teo, when you fell asleep, the nest stopped swaying. Now the baby birds are awake.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's play a game. But wait, what kind of games can you play in a branch?
How about peekaboo?
Oh, yeah. Peekaboo. No.
Boy, are we glad to see you.
Oh, what's that? She brought us some food, too.
That That was really nice of her.
We really make a great team.
What? Great team! Great team!
Trying to feed her babies, the parrot left her nest. Our friends babysat and did their best.
Watching the birds wasn't easy to do, but Riko made them happy by playing peekaboo.
When their mom came back, she had plenty to eat. She was so thankful that she gave her friends a treat.
They all worked together and did their share. It takes a great team to give babies care. A pen, scissors, cut, tear,
Paper playtime! Today you'll need scissors
different color paper.
and a pencil. Draw an egg shape with the pointed side and cut it out.
Fold another piece of paper in half and draw a smaller egg shape with a pointed end.
Cut the shape out, and that gives you 2.
Take some more colored paper and tear out smaller egg shapes.
Cut the small eggs to make lots of feather shapes.
Now put all the shapes together. Do you know what we're making?
Add eyes, a beak, 2 legs, and that's it. It's a bird.
He looks funny.
Now you can make up your own story.
Sandpaper,
Drawing paper,
rice paper,
wrinkled paper,
toilet paper,
wallpaper,
writing paper,
paper towels,
paper